Hi everyone, we're back with another installment of what would be formerly, or what was formerly known as Puzzle Mania. We're doing a rebranding and we're now going to be known as Puzzle Goodness. So, as a initial salvo for this Puzzle Goodness vlog, we're starting off with a favorite, not the puzzle, the band, the Beatles. So as usual, we've got the frame already pre-assembled by the expert puzzle assembler, and in the end it's gonna look like this. So we will check in at some point when there's enough progress to show you. And until then, bye-bye. And we're doing our first check-in. Quite a bit of progress since when we started. So I imagine this puzzle will be finished in a very short period of time. There's probably just 2 more check-ins since completion of puzzle, so we'll see you back in the second check-in. See you. Another day, another puzzle. All done. Here it is. The Beatles.